I think self-love is so tied into community love. I don't think you can do self-love without community. I'm Tahmina Begum. I am the writer and creator behind the Aram newsletter. So today we're going to be hosting a writing workshop partnered with Macmillan Coffee Morning. Macmillan creates support systems for those who are dealing with cancer. In the workshop, we're going to be focusing on well-being and wellness because I feel like Muslim women are left out of those conversations. If you feel like donating anything, please feel free to put it in the box. Are we ready? We've got pens, notebooks, drinks, cake.
The reason why I'm excited to join the Coffee Morning today is because I'll be surrounded by fellow Muslim women. And I always think that there's strength in coming together as a community to share, to heal, and to just release. My name is Mariam Sanyang, and I just finished doing a 6-month cancer awareness project at the Al-Manar. I've grown up there. This is the same mosque that would offer my dad support, my mum support when they were going through the chemotherapy. I was 17 years old when I unexpectedly had heard that my father had prostate cancer. It really made me cling onto my faith a bit more, but also like question everything at the same time.
My name is Naila Khalifa and I'm a stylist and florist. So around 2 years ago, my uncle got diagnosed with stomach cancer and unfortunately we lost him last January. We were very close to him. He reminds me of a playground even till this day because I know he had like such a childlike essence to him. He'd bring me to trips. He exposed me to like life that is beyond my community. Weirdly, I want to say there wasn't support. We come from a really big family and it's almost as if things should stick in the family or the support is your family. My aunt, who is obviously going to continue grieving for the rest of her life, can only bear so much patience or resilience. It doesn't feel normal or sometimes bearable to even go through such a loss and then wake up and act like everything's okay. Yeah.
I've learned that through the coffee mornings that we have at the mosque. The more you open up as the people that are leading the conversations, they'll slowly but surely feel more comfortable to open up about the fears that they have.
Having that grace of yourself and knowing that, grace is such a nice word.
You do need support, and there's strength in that.
When I speak of him, I want to celebrate him and speak good things. The celebration of him still makes me kind of bear the pain.
Thank you for hosting us.
I think we really underestimate how actually easy it is to put together a coffee morning for your loved ones. Honestly, one of my favorite things, when I watch someone come in by themselves and they leave with a friend, they come together in these coffee mornings and over chai, they get to speak about losing a loved one or like how they're taking care of themselves. And I think that's such a wonderful, beautiful sisterhood to see. When you are a Muslim woman and a woman of colour, when I say it's in our DNA, it's truly in our DNA, the way that we host everyone, the way that our doors are always open to everyone. They're doing it for the sake of community.